I'm Howard Williams, Vice President and General Manager of Construction Specialties in Muncie, PA. Here at our facilities, going green is no gimmick, no sales ploy. Environmental responsibility is an ever-expanding and serious commitment we've renewed daily since 1995. It's woven into every aspect of our business. It's who we are.
We wanted to do better. We knew we could be more socially conscious, better protectors of our environment, and that we could do that while continuing to improve upon the quality of our products. We set our priorities, and within 8 years, Construction Specialties was recognized by the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania with its Governor's Award for Environmental Excellence. The programs we've implemented start with the most basic of concepts: eliminating waste whenever and wherever possible. We reuse our wooden skids, rebuild cardboard boxes to use again for shipping. We eliminated some of that wood and cardboard altogether by designing our own transport devices. We found a way to collect the sawdust from our wood shops that not only improves the air quality for our workers, but allows people from the community to take it home and use in their gardens and farms. We've recycled entire buildings, choosing to renovate them to suit our needs and revitalize our local communities. Protecting our water supply is another priority, and we use waterborne finishes to help keep it safe. At Construction Specialties, we've saved 200,000 gallons a year since installing flow sensors and waterless urinals in our facilities. High-temperature water tanks are part of our manufacturing process. By simply putting on a lid, we save water that otherwise would have evaporated. The water in the tank also stays hot longer, minimizing our need for additional energy to keep reheating it. We're saving energy in other ways, too. We now have high-efficiency, motion-sensitive lighting in many of our work areas. These efforts pay off. In one plant alone, Construction Specialties saw energy usage drop 20.3% over the same period the year before. That drop in electrical use translates into a savings of 660,000 pounds of carbon dioxide and $29,000 off the bottom line. This planet's forests are shrinking every year by an area nearly the size of South Carolina. At Construction Specialties, we seek out wood that comes from a responsibly managed or rapidly renewable source. It was a challenge, for example, to find wood composite products that could pass fire safety requirements without containing added urea formaldehyde, but we did. We're also reforesting 17 acres of unused land. Construction Specialties is working with the Bureau of Forestry, Penn State University, and even local Boy and Girl Scout troops to plant more than 5,000 trees, create walking trails, and build benches. We're even planning an area to produce food for wildlife. We work as much as possible with local vendors to reduce our use of oil, a major culprit in the creation of greenhouse gases.
Kevin, what do you think about that?
We video conference when we can instead of driving to meetings.
Spreadsheet here if you want to.
And we reward people who carpool to work by reserving them special parking spaces nearer the door. At Construction Specialties, being environmentally conscious, being socially responsible, is not a fad to us, not a gimmick to increase sales. It's who we are. It's our culture. So far, 13 of our employees are LEED accredited professionals. Currently, 10 of our products are Cradle to Cradle certified, and we're working to add more every year. We design every product to end up in existing recycling streams. And we try to eliminate waste whenever and wherever possible, every step of the way. But it goes beyond recyclability. The C2C concept requires fair employment practices and positive contributions to our community. We demonstrate that commitment every day through the products we sell and the buildings they go into. We chose to exceed government environmental standards by applying voluntarily to the International Organization for Standards for ISO 14001 certification. It requires us to identify and reduce significant environmental impact from every aspect of our operations. And more than that, we ask that our vendors apply the same standards to their businesses. At Construction Specialties, we are responsible, active, and involved. It's the way we think, the way we work, and it's the attitude we take home with us. Our efforts have been recognized. In 2009, we received the Champions for Change Award from Practice Green Health for not only greening our own practices, but for helping our clients in the healthcare business to do the same.
What separates a tagline like green from a vision is that you advertise one, but live the other. Our vision, creating products that make buildings better, is one we take very seriously. We make products that help form life spaces in which people work, learn, and receive healthcare. The makeup of the products, the process by which they're made, and our behaviors are led by our vision. Without a vibrant and relevant environmental component, our vision is flawed. We know our environmental journey in the scale of life has just begun. With each new day, we're challenged to be better at this than the day before. And in the end, our hope is that we're not only making buildings better, we're making lives better.